Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tree origami. Start with a square piece of paper, perhaps 6 inches by 6 inches for the best results. First, fold it diagonally in both directions, creasing it well. Then, unfold it completely. Next, fold the paper in half horizontally and vertically, making sure your creases are sharp. These initial folds are crucial for forming the base of your origami tree. Now, bring the side corners of your paper towards the center, allowing the paper to collapse inward. This action will naturally form a triangular shape, which is known as the water bomb base. This is a very common starting point for many origami models, so take your time to make sure all the edges align perfectly. With your water bomb base ready, take the bottom corners of the triangle and fold them upwards, aligning them with the center line. You'll repeat this step on both sides of the model. These folds will begin to form the distinct layers and branches of your origami tree. Gently flatten each fold to give your tree a crisp, defined look. For the final touches, you can gently fold the tips of your tree's branches slightly downwards. This small adjustment adds a more natural and organic appearance. If you like, you can also gently curl the edges of the branches for a bit more dimension. And there you have it, your very own charming origami tree, ready to brighten any space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.